Hello everyone. Fatty from Pack Up Punch Traders here. Just gonna make a quick video lesson going over my top three plays on my watch list. This will be posted later on Twitter, but I'm just gonna dive into these three. There are other plays. I'll update it in the morning. If there's any gappers or anything else, maybe I take one off, add one from here to make it red as my top watch. But for now, it's just these three, and let's just dive into them. So we got IGMS here. We got a beautiful bounce spike here. I was looking the other day for a bounce play. Didn't totally shape. Did finish kind of green, but not much going on as we see here. It just continues lower. So in my eyes, shorts still have the upper hand here, and I'll be waiting tomorrow or whenever the momentum starts shifting and shorts start covering, which should be soon. Right? Let me see. One sec. Let me do a little bit of math here. 36 divided by 2. Obviously, that's 18. Oh, duh. Yeah, that was a little stupid of me right there, actually. But yeah, so let's see if it holds 20. I don't know how much further it could go. We'll see. Volume starting to fade on this dipping here. So not much energy really behind it selling-wise. So once we get that bottoming action, ideally, it holds around 20. That would be kind of an easy call. If it fails to break down there, it'd be easy to recognize because it's a whole dollar, half dollar level. 20, a psychological key level. Way off the highs at that point. Just looking for a quick reversal. It does have a 15 million float, pretty much. Bigger market cap, but the float isn't bad. So I do think this will offer a solid play. It does have the ability to move, so just going to look for failure to break down. Tomorrow would be a good day as well, as it pretty much finished near the low. So if we see any gapping up or just any failure to continue lower after a candle like this where it theoretically should head lower, if it fails, I think shorts might start covering. So IGMS top watch for a multi-day bounce play. Then we got Lgvn. This thing is still failing to break down. Sure, we got this doji looking candle, but I'm just seeing this uptrend in total, just making higher lows between the 2 days. So I'm going to be eyeing a 1677 previous high at daybreak. I think that could offer a solid move. Um, I will probably trade it smaller size because now it's getting close to being out of my price range as well, just in case any fake outs or anything unexpected goes wrong. I don't want to have big size in it. So we'll be looking for that previous high at daybreak to test 20. Um, Key level there, 19, 20-ish area. After that, we got 25. But yeah, just taking it one level at a time. Pretty sure it's a low float, 4.6. Yes. So this complete failure to go red here and test the high a day was pretty bullish. I wish it had more volume to really continue higher. But here we are holding VWAP, kind of trying to hold up. Did dip here after hours, but we'll see if it happens again tomorrow. If we get a previous high at daybreak, red to green move, we'll see. But definitely, we'll be looking at that 1677 as a key level for a potential entry. Then we got Isig. And with Lgvn, like anything could happen. This thing could easily gap down. But if this fails to break down, it's got a lot of shorts trapped in this, I think. Volume's still coming in strong. It could easily keep holding 15-ish. It could really come back. So I think this could offer a solid short squeeze if and only if this thing holds up and comes back to the previous high a day. We'll have to see volume there, but I really think that's a key level that a lot of shorts are eyeing if it cracks above it. But lastly, we got ISIG. Beautiful play here. Looking to retest the multi-day breakout level. Got a little fake out past it. Nice little uptrend going on here. Volume kind of fading, but it's still kind of holding up. And we're going to be breaking over a green candle on 1.1 million float. I'm really liking ISIG for potential breakout play. Previous high daybreak they're 5 cents apart. So just that area doesn't have to be an exact price. Think of support, resistance levels. Think of them as a kind of general area, um, where they chop around at. So yeah, those are my top three plays heading into Monday. We'll see what else happens. See, actually, let me check on CLVS. Oh dang it! I'm gonna have to pause the video. All right, here's CLVS. This is another one that I'm kind of looking at, kind of ignoring, just because I've been talking about how these plays breaking over red candles with a lot of volume that's going to be needed to really give a nice, easy, predictable short squeeze aren't really happening. There's cells that had a choppy move last week. We had GFAI that had a choppy move on Friday as well. Um, and they all have one thing in common. They're breaking over red candles with a lot of volume on that red day. So very hesitant for this, but that's why I don't have it in red. I could see this maybe being something that gaps up or maybe moves pre-market and has a maybe fake out or something, but there's so much flow and such a high flow and so much volume going on in this day that I'm probably just going to sit on the sidelines, and if whatever happens, happens. There are other great plays. So yeah, we'll just leave it there.